All right, wife is out of town for a week. I decided to resurface all of her cutting boards. I mean, look at how beat up this one is. Yeah, they're all in not the greatest condition. It's hard to see scratches on the camera, but you can see them right there. All right. Take the legs off, get ready for some sanding. This is after raising the grain, the last pass at 220. Don't need to go above 220. It's a cutting board anyway. It's gonna be cut into pretty soon. This is fun. I listen to audiobooks. All right. Odie's oil. So I've had this can. I think I bought it when we moved to this house almost 2 years ago. So 2 years for one can. Not bad. There's one. The other one. Here's the mixed species board. And I'm not sure what board. And another mixed species. Leave them to dry for about a couple hours. Should do it. Hour and a half, 2 hours. And then buff off the oil. And here they are. Came out pretty gorgeous. I mean, you still see the big scratches on the older board, but came out pretty good, I think. Well, I'm happy with them. Yep, see you in the next one.